Hey everyone, are you ready to witness the end of Google? OpenAI just launched SearchGPT, an AI-powered search engine that's about to change everything. Stay tuned to find out how SearchGPT will revolutionize your search experience. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Welcome back to Absaar.ai, where I bring you the latest and greatest in AI technology. Today, we are diving into SearchGPT, OpenAI's groundbreaking new search engine that's set to outshine Google. Let's get started. First up, SearchGPT combines powerful AI models with real-time web data to give you quick and accurate answers. No more endless scrolling through irrelevant links, just the information you need right away. Imagine asking a question and getting an immediate response. That's what SearchGPT is all about. One of the coolest features of SearchGPT is its conversational interface. You can ask follow-up questions just like you would in a chat. The shared context builds with each query, making your search experience smoother and more intuitive. It's like having a personal assistant who knows exactly what you need. SearchGPT also highlights high-quality content from trusted publishers. This means you get reliable information with clear inline attributions and links. It's perfect for deep dives into topics without worrying about the credibility of the sources. Currently, SearchGPT is a prototype, and OpenAI is seeking feedback from a small group of users. This means your input can directly influence the future of search. Plus, the best features of SearchGPT will be integrated into ChatGPT in the future. Exciting stuff, right? OpenAI is committed to supporting journalism. SearchGPT is designed to help readers discover and engage with content in a new way, respecting the hard work of journalists. It's a win-win for both readers and publishers. So, what do you think? Is SearchGPT a Google killer we have been waiting for? Let me know in the comments below. Do you believe it has the potential to overtake Google? Or do you think Google's dominance will remain unchallenged? Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe to Absaar.ai. For more exciting updates on latest AI tools, please subscribe to the channel.